If you want to see how I do my 2-strand twist, as you can see, now that my hair is a happy medium length, please keep on watching. Hey beauties, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. I greatly appreciate it. If you're new, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new uploads. And if you're not new, welcome back, boo. Today, I am going to put in my 2-strand twist without extensions this time. Again, I'm going to provide to you, beauties, my updated 2-strand twist routine. I don't know why I just keep singing in my videos knowing I can barely hold a note. Tell me I'm ridiculous. It is so late, but here's the results. I am halfway done. And now I'm going to obviously continue. I will come back later to actually break down the products that I'm using and how I am doing my 2-strand twist. Okay? See you later.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know.
All right, beauties. I am almost done. I don't know if you can tell, but I am exhausted. I've got 2 more left, and I'm gonna do the last 2 with you. So let's clip this one to the side so the hair is not all up in my way. This is obviously shampooed, conditioned, and blow dried with, of course, a heat protectant. I've got, so beauties, I broke my mister, not broke it, but it got like clogged. So this was a hand sanitizer spray bottle, so I just put a little bit of oils and water in here. So I just spritz it, run my fingers over it to help my low porosity hair absorb that water. I take, and this is in one of my videos, but I take my L'Oreal's Mega Moisture Nature's Therapy hair cream, and I ensure it's on ends of my hair. And I just run my fingers over it, kind of massage. So it's kind of like a hair massage in a sense. And then I take olive oil, and I do the same thing. Okay. Then I take my gel. You use Eco Style. You can do extreme wet line. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Anywho. All right. So make sure that is not, has a nice, gelled upness going on. And then I separate it into 3. So I do this because I like for my roots to stay detangled and not kinked up, because I feel like that keeps the neatness to the style. So split it up because I am about to braid it in threes. All right, so I braid my roots. I braid maybe about 6 down, or however far down I feel like it, which is generally around here. And then I split up the middle piece into 2. And then I twist forward, switch, twist forward, switch. And as I'm twisting forward, beauties, I twist forward on the other one as well to keep that twisting, I guess, formation in my hair. And I twist and twist all the way down. And I keep doing that. See, as I'm twisting forward and as I switch over, I'm right-handed, so that's my left hand, and I continue that twisting motion in between my fingers, and then I eventually pull it, not hard, but I pull it just to kind of make the twist taut. And then I add gel as I deem it necessary. Now, once I get down towards the bottom, I take my comb and I comb it out to form the 2 pieces together again. Then I take some more gel, place it on the ends, then twirl it. And then eventually, for my hair always does this, but eventually it will curl up and shrink up. So beauties, that's how I do my 2-strand twists all over. But I'm going to do this very last one with you guys. Please feel free to rewind it if you want to watch my explanation again.
To figure out who you really are, I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down.
Alright beauties, I'm super tired. I'll show you what my hair looks like once it's dried, and I'll see you later. Hey beauties, as you can see, my 2-strand twists are done. They took me about 8 hours to do. I separated my hair into 4s, as you already know, and it took about 2 hours to complete each section. I feel the burn every time, and it's not gonna get any shorter as my hair gets longer, but you know what? Trust the process. I love my hair. I missed it actually. So yeah, here is the final result. Beauties, thank you so much for joining me. I greatly appreciate it. If you like the content you see, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new uploads. Beauties, I will see you on the next one.